Devotion is on sale today, folks. The composite Simp is bleeding out at 1240.8, down nearly 2 full percent, while men apparently keep buying the dip on their feelings. I'm Samuel Simp at the Simp Economy Exchange desk, where we track the full cost of courtship so you don't have to. 6 names are pushing higher against 3 in the red. Vow is the clear standout, running up 3.5%, but Date is getting absolutely ghosted, down 2.23, which honestly tracks.
Pair is ripping 3.9%, while Groom bleeds out minus 3.71. Somebody's getting sponsored and somebody's getting left at the altar, and the market has opinions about which is which. I'm Queen Diva at the Sponsor Economy desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, your midday read on $537 billion worth of women financing men. The composite sits at 711.42, up 1.62% on the session, but with 4 names declining against only 3 advancing. This rally is narrow enough to walk a tightrope in heels.
7 of 9 sectors are bleeding red, while the composite somehow posts a 2.33% gain, which means the 2 stocks holding this market up are basically doing CPR on a patient who smoked through the whole ambulance ride. You're watching the Grindset Index desk on the Simp Economy Exchange. I'm Zach Grindset, and that tracked cap sitting at $940 billion tells you men are still allocating, just very, very selectively. Travel leads the charge, while looks takes the worst hit of the session, which honestly tracks. Q3 2026 is shaping up to be the quarter where the market finally admits that presence beats appearance every single time.
Men are still outspending women nearly 2-to-1 in aggregate cross-market deployment, but the sponsor economy's 1.62% rally and the Grindset Index's 2.33% surge tell the real story. Capital is rotating hard out of Simp and into either reciprocity or self-investment, as the Simp Index bleeds 1.72%, while the other 2 books close green. Q3 2026 is shaping up as the quarter where the classic asymmetric flow trade finally gets a credible challenger, with combined spawn and grind market cap at $1.477 trillion, breathing down Simp's $1.297 trillion neck. If that gap closes, the rebalancing event will be the most significant structural shift this desk has tracked in years. Find the full breakdown and live positioning data at simpx.exchange.